Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off mail notifications in Gmail, fully updated for the latest version. If those constant email alerts are cluttering your screen or distracting your focus, this quick guide will help you silence them in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app preferences are managed, including notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for Gmail in that list and tap on it. This section controls everything related to the Gmail app storage use, permissions, and of course, notifications. Now, tap on notifications. This is where you can customize what kind of alerts Gmail sends you. You'll notice different notification types depending on your account setup or version of the app. After that, tap on notification categories. This is an important step because it breaks down different kinds of Gmail alerts such as mail, chats, or other updates into separate categories. That means you don't need to disable everything. You can target just the mail alerts if that's what you want to turn off. Once you're in notification categories, look for the option labeled Mail. Then simply toggle it off. This will stop Gmail from sending you any notification whenever a new email arrives. No more sounds, banners, or vibrations. And that's it. You've successfully turned off mail notifications in Gmail. From now on, you can check your inbox only when you want to without your phone constantly pinging you about new messages. If you ever decide to turn them back on, just follow the same steps and toggle mail back on again. Thanks for watching.